Hey guys, I'm Vase and welcome to my YouTube channel, Not For The Faint Crafted. If you are completely new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So today I'm really excited to share with you another one of my Poundland DIY videos, and today I'm going to teach you how to make these 4 beautiful home decor pieces, which is perfect for autumn time and should add a little bit of warmth to your homes. If you do like this video, please do share the love by giving it a big thumbs up and letting me know what you think in the comment section below. But if you're not a subscriber already, then don't forget to click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, so that whenever I post a video, you should be able to get that update in your newsfeed. But yeah, if you are a fan of this video but you haven't seen any of my other Poundland DIY videos, then I have created a separate playlist and I'll leave the link in the description box below, so you should be able to find that. But yeah, that's it from me. I'm going to head straight to the DIYs and I'll see you at the very end. For this DIY, you will need a small cheese board, which I purchased from Poundland, a pencil, and a white Posco pen. So taking your pencil and your cheese board, you just want to stencil out lightly your Hello Fall design, and you can also stencil out designs of acorns as well, like I did here. And once that's done, it should look something like this. And then finally, with your white Posco pen, all you want to do is just go over your design that you stenciled out earlier, and then once you've done that, your beautiful decor piece should look something like this, and it was as easy as that. So for this DIY, you will need a bunch of things. You will need a photo frame with a wooden border preferably, and I purchased this from Poundland, but you'll also need a pencil and a rubber, a paint palette, some acrylic paints, a pot with a small amount of water and a paintbrush, and you'll also need some Sharpie pens, which I forgot to include in this image. So firstly, what you want to do is just undo the photo frame from the back and remove all parts so that you're left with the white sheet. And what you want to do is just basically repurpose this sheet. So make sure that the text is facing down and the plain side is facing towards you. And what you want to do is just basically stencil out 2 pumpkin shapes. And don't worry about making this perfect because you're going to paint over this anyway. And once I finish stenciling it out, it looks something like this. So yeah, now it's time to paint, and feel free to use whatever colour you want. I went for 3 key colours, so that was the orange, teal and brown for the pumpkin stems. And yeah, once I'd painted that all, it looked something like this. And once that had dried, I took a few Sharpie pens and I just drew around the pumpkin just to add an outline, just so that it could stand out. And I did the same with the stem using a brown Sharpie pen. And once you've done that, all you need to do is just reassemble the image back into that photo frame, and it should end up looking something like this. So for this DIY, the items that you need from Poundland are some battery powered candles, some crystals that you can find in the wedding section of Poundland. You'll also need 2 candle holders, which are on sale at 50p each, and 2 ashtrays as well. But on top of this DIY, you'll also need some white spray paint, some scissors, some super glue and some twine. So what you want to first do is spray a few layers of white spray paint around those candle holders and the 2 ashtrays. So then next you want to take your super glue and just dab a small amount of glue at the top of your candle holder, and then taking that twine, you just want to carefully wrap this around your candle holder and just stopping at the point of where the top part of the candle holder starts to bend outwards. Once you've done that, it should look something like this. Then again, next, taking that super glue, you just want to glue on that candle holder to the bottom of your ashtray that you spray painted earlier on, and you want to try and keep this at the center as much as possible. Yeah, and finally, all you need to do is just add those crystal gems in the top of your ashtray section, and then just place those battery powered candles on the top, and your beautiful candle holders should look something like this. So for this DIY, you will need a water jug and some masking tape, which I both purchased from Poundland, and you'll also need some white spray paint. And so firstly, taking your masking tape, you just want to tape around your water jug on the areas where you don't want the spray paint to touch. So I did this around the center of the jug. And once I did that, it ended up looking something like this. And next, taking your spray paint, which I did outside, you just want to spray a few coats of paint around your jug, just making sure everything is even. And finally, all you need to do is just carefully remove that masking tape, and once you've done that, your beautiful vase is ready. Hey guys, so I hope you liked all those DIY videos. If you did, please do share the love by giving this video a big thumbs up and letting me know what you think in the comment section below. But yeah, if you're also not a subscriber, then don't forget to click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, so that whenever I post a new video, you should be able to get that update in your newsfeed. But yeah, if you are a subscriber already and you do follow my videos quite regularly, then you would have noticed I've not posted anything in the past month and a half. I just kind of wanted a bit of a break for myself, but I am back and I couldn't miss the opportunity to share some of my new and upcoming Christmas DIY videos with you. But I have done Christmas crafts before, and it's nothing new to me, and I've saved it in a Christmas craft countdown playlist, which again I'll save the link in the description box below, so you can check that out if you want some inspiration prior to the festive season. But yeah, that's it from me. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.